Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to put voice chat on Roblox. So guys, before starting, please subscribe to our channel, Karam, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all, get over to the Roblox app. Once you launch the Roblox app, now go to this option. Now go to three dots at the bottom. Now once you reach here, just scroll down and you will see option here, setting. Go to setting. Now once you reach here, just go to this option, account info. When you reach here, first of all you have to make sure that you have entered the correct date of birth. So since we are going to verify age before enabling voice chat, because there is a condition. If you want to enable the voice chat on your phone, you have to verify your age, and to verify your age you have to click on this option, verify my age. But before that you have to make sure that you have entered the correct birth date, on birth year and birth month. So just select the correct month and date and year. So once you selected, just click on this option, verify my age. Now it will ask you to ask for the valid ID. So you can upload driving license, passport ID, ID card and residence permit. So just click on this option, start session, and choose the Chrome browser. Once it is open, click on this option, let's go. So guys, once it is open, if you are not being able to on the camera, so since I have already enabled the camera here, so let's go back to again. So when you start a first time session, it will ask for your camera permission. So just go to three dots, go to setting, and go to site setting, go to camera, and so when you it will ask for you to allow the camera, and when you allow the camera, it won't work because you have to enable the camera from here. So just enable the camera, just click on the www.roblox.com and enable the camera for Roblox site. So once you selected, just go back and click on let's go. So now you have to take the photograph of your ID card which has your photo. So once you choose the photo ID, and now after that you have to take the selfie as well. So when you click on selfie, it will you have to take clean selfie in which your face should be covered. And once you verify your age, and just return to this app again, and if you go back and if you open the privacy off section, your voice chat will be enabled. You can enable the voice chat by enabling the or tapping on that toggle button, and voice chat will be enabled. So that's how you can do it. That's how you can put voice chat on your Roblox. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.